What if the future of artificial intelligence no longer belongs to massive cloud servers, but to a tiny box sitting on your desk? NVIDIA has just dropped something that might redefine who controls the AI revolution, a device called the DGX Spark. At first glance, it looks like an elegant mini PC, but under its metallic shell lies the kind of power once reserved for entire data centers. And it costs less than a high-end gaming rig. For years, NVIDIA's name has been synonymous with the rise of AI. From ChatGPT's training servers to Tesla's self-driving systems, almost every major AI project runs on NVIDIA chips. But one problem persisted. Only the biggest corporations could afford the hardware to run massive models locally. Everyone else was forced to rent cloud access, paying steep fees for limited control. That's the old world, and Jensen Huang just smashed it. At a recent keynote, he unveiled what NVIDIA calls the world's smallest AI supercomputer. The DGX Spark weighs just 2.6 pounds, fits in a backpack, and yet packs more than 1,000 trillion operations per second of compute power. Think about that. It's like having a mini data center sitting quietly next to your monitor. The secret lies inside the new GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, a fusion of a 20-core Grace CPU and a Blackwell GPU with RTX 5070 level CUDA cores. This combo allows the system to fine-tune large AI models locally, without depending on remote cloud servers. Its internal design uses NVLink C2C, a next-gen interconnect that moves data 5 times faster than PCIe Gen 5. That means no bottlenecks, just smooth. Continuous AI computation between CPU and GPU. And with 128 GB of LPDDR5X memory and 4 TB of NVMe storage, it can run models that once required entire server racks. But this isn't just about performance numbers. This is about independence. NVIDIA's DGX Spark runs DGX OS, an Ubuntu-based system preloaded with all the AI tools a developer could dream of. Plug it into a wall socket, and you've got a full-scale AI lab. No subscriptions, no lag, no cloud. For developers and researchers, this is a seismic shift. Imagine a robotics student fine-tuning neural models directly on their desk. Imagine an indie AI startup developing a next-gen language model without needing access to Amazon or Google's cloud servers. That's the future NVIDIA envisions. And the DGX Spark is the first bridge to it. Even more fascinating is its portability. NVIDIA designed the Spark to connect seamlessly with larger infrastructures like DGX Cloud when workloads need scaling. That means users can develop on the Spark, then push their projects to the cloud for full-scale training, maintaining continuity across every level of AI development. The company's vision is clear. Unify desktop, data center, and cloud into one full-stack AI ecosystem. From a student's desk to NASA's servers. One architecture, one platform. Still, this mini supercomputer doesn't come cheap. At $3,999, it's far from consumer grade. But for universities, labs, and developers, it's revolutionary. A few years ago, a machine capable of this kind of compute would have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. NVIDIA isn't stopping here. Later this year, it plans to launch the DGX Station, a full-sized desktop featuring the monstrous GB300 Grace Blackwell Ultra chip, in partnership with Dell, Asus, HP, and Supermicro. But the Spark is more than a product launch. It's a signal. It says the next phase of AI isn't just cloud-based. It's personal, portable, and powerful. The DGX Spark represents the moment when AI computing leaves corporate hands and enters individual minds. Because when every researcher, developer, or even student can own a supercomputer, the AI race doesn't belong to the few anymore. It belongs to everyone. So here's the real question. If AI power becomes personal, who controls the future? Corporations or creators?